Hello friends, welcome to the Techly Zen channel. So friends, today I will talk about HYTE Y40 Mori Calliope's limited edition. So friend, the Y40 Mori Calliope's limited edition, a collaborative model utilizing HYTE Y40 PC case with hololive English VTuber Mori Calliope, and friend, it is a remarkable collaborative version of HYTE Y40 PC case which features a dual-sided panoramic glass design, illustration crafted by Mr. Rosuuri adorn the entire surface of the tempered glass and providing an artistic touch. And friend, this model incorporates a power button embellished with Death-Sensei and serial number engraved plate. And friend, the package also includes an accessory box containing various original items such as exclusive 600 by 450 tapestry, an XL size original mouse pad, keychain, stickers, and keycap. And these external items enhance the appeal of the limited edition offering. And friend, is exclusively available for pre-order and the price is $449. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.